So you are done working on your document, and now you want to add header and footer to it. So you might want to add the name of your document, for example, marketing plan in the header, and you want to add page number in the footer. So let's learn how to do it. Okay, now first we will need to activate the header and footer toolbar. So you can do so by double click on the top of the page, and this will activate the header and footer dialog box. So click on it and then just type whatever you want to type in the header, marketing plan. Okay, and then I'm going to make it center and make the text bold and red. Okay, now another option is to go to the header and footer dialog box and then click on header, and this will display all the custom header templates. Just spend a few seconds to go through all the options available and click on the one you want. So marketing plan 2022 marketing plan. Okay, so that is our header. And now for the footer, then we want to add in the page number. So let's go to page number, bottom of the page. And there are a few options to choose from. So I'm going to choose this one. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it looks good. Okay, and now that we are done working on the header and footer, all we need to do is to close the header and footer dialog box. And we're back to the main document. Now, sometimes you don't want the header and footer to appear on the first page. For a long document, the first page is normally the cover page. So let me just add a dummy cover page in it, and then I'm going to add a page break. Okay, so this is a cover page and we don't want the header and footer there. So what do? Now again, double click to activate the header and footer toolbar and click on the different first page option, and you can see that the first page header has now disappeared. The first page footer also disappeared. So the header and footer will begin on the second page. Now, but we have another problem. On the second page, the page numbering is now at 2 because what still counts the cover page as the first page, and we want it to start from 1. So what do? So in that case, go to page numbering, current format page number, and in the page numbering, the default option is to continue from previous section, and we don't want that. So let's click start at 1. And let's see what happens. Oh, it is still at 2. Okay, so here's a problem. The page numbering starts at 2 because page numbering is only applied for a section, not for a page. So in order to separate between the first page and the second page, we will need to add a new section for the first page. So in order to do that, let's close the header. And I'm going to insert a section break. So go to layout, go to breaks, and section break next page. So the main document will start from section 2. You can see that in here, the main document will start from section 2. So the first page will be section 1, and then the second page onward will be section 2. And now we can modify the page numbering. Now for page numbering, it is still starting at page number 2. So let's uncheck the difference first page. 1, okay. And that's done. So now all we need to do is to close the header and footer, and let's check again to see if it's working properly. Okay, so the first page is cover page, so no header and footer. The second page, there's a header and there's a footer, and the page numbering will start from 1. So that looks good. And that's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.